You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, here's the front bow, which goes to the front of the cockpit. I'm almost certain this was a homemade piece because the curve isn't perfect right there. So I may need to shave this down just a skosh or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. And because it's missing one of these. I traced that out. I'm going to dig that out with my Dremel here in a second and make it a basic captive, not like these, but like the other ones on the back were. Then I'm going to go to bed. Got my second COVID shot today. Don't feel well. And I'm done with the front. This took probably 2 hours to do. And I got some trimming to do. That's not a big deal. And I think I got a little bit here I want to maybe take care of too. But again, not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Cool. Well, this is done. So that leaves the door rails and the two little corner pieces to finish out, and I can call myself done with the interior trim pieces. The rest is seat covers, and that's just a kit that I've got. That won't be too bad. Okay, that'll settle out. Yeah. Cool. And here's how it'll look. Again, I got some trimming to do. And I need to settle this in and tie it down. So this end is a little bit higher, as you can see, and I don't have this thing tightened. And once it's down, yeah, I'll be able to adjust that. So I'll hold it there so it doesn't fall off, but that looks nice. Very nice. Yep, I am not displeased. Cool. Cool, cool.